Welcome to today's quick and easy guide on how to disable read receipts on WhatsApp for PC. If you've ever wanted to read messages without letting the other person know you've seen them, this video is made just for you. With the latest update, the layout has slightly changed, but don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to find everything. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen where your recent chats appear. You'll notice a few icons along the left side of the screen. This is the control panel where you can access your settings, chats, and profile details. Next, look for the small gear icon on that left side menu. This icon represents settings. Go ahead and click on it to open up your account options. Once you're in settings, you'll see a list of choices such as general, chats, notifications, and privacy. Click on privacy. This is where all your personal preference controls are, including options for profile visibility, last seen of course, read receipts. Now, scroll a bit until you find the option labeled read receipts. By default, it's usually switched on, which means others can see when you've read their messages and you can see when they've read yours. To turn this off, simply click the toggle next to read receipts. When the switch turns gray, that means they're disabled. From now on, other people won't know when you've read their messages. Keep in mind though, that this goes both ways. You also won't see read confirmations for messages you send. However, for group chats, read receipts will always stay on by default, as WhatsApp keeps that feature active for everyone. And that's it, you've successfully turned off read receipts on the WhatsApp desktop app. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.